you can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Abekisinde ekitembeta mutabani w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Muhoozi Kainerugaba kuba president beeyubudde nate ne bafuna erinnya eppya erya Patriotic League of Uganda okwongera okwenywereza mu kisawe ky'ebyobufuzi. Ekisinde kino ekya Patriotic League of Uganda kitongozeddwa ng'omuntu yennyini atambulirwako ensonga mutabani w'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Muhoozi Kainerugaba taliiwo, era akiikiriddwa Captain Mike Mukula ng'ono ye mumyuka wa ssentebe wa NRM mu bitundu by'ebuvanjuba.
Tuko na kazi moja tu.
Akuliddemu okusoma ekiwandiiko ekitongoza ekisinde kino era omubaka wa Igara East Michael Mawanda ategeezezza bwe bazze okwongera okwenywereza mu byobufuzi ate n'okukunga ensi okuddayo ku mwoyo gwa ggwanga.
And in furtherance of the aforementioned objects, we hereby constitute ourselves into a civic organization and assume and adopt a new name and identity, the Patriotic League of Uganda, which is the main aim of working towards receiving Ugandans in a spirit of good citizenship, national pride, national service, protection of vulnerable persons, combating corruption and wastage of public resources, and protection of the environment.
Ye Mike Mukula akiikiridde Muhoozi ategeezezza nga batasobola kumalaga kwasa nsi eno buli asanga naddala abantu bayisa batategeerekeka n'okugibakwasa mu ngeri ey'okugezesa.
I want to tell you that he said it's not one government coming and removing the other and then this one coming in so that it is a circus. Governance of Uganda is not for those who want to try by error. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, under the National Resistance Movement, has been able to hold this country together for the last 38 years. And listen to me very carefully. Wale ambao wanacheza na serikali,
wabula ekibuzo kiri nti engeri gye watali ku kabonero kalaga nti ne President Museveni anaavaawo kisoboka